we are in Zaragoza at the BDZ event. Undoubtedly, it is a distinct event in which I would emphasize the quality of the presentations, the conferences that are conducted, and above all, the open space to have high-level conversations with the various participants in the ecosystem.
I think it's an event you can't miss if you're in the blockchain ecosystem, and if you want to be in the financial world in Spain, that's the place to be.
We're discussing tokenization, security tokens, and the initiatives we've launched in the real estate sector. These are the topics we are currently focusing on.
The API is the gateway to the crypto world. If you have a company and want to be able to offer your customers the ability to buy or sell cryptocurrencies, you connect to us using the API and have the entire product and all services in an easy way. We are receiving a lot of requests to understand how the world works, immerse ourselves in the content, and what we want is that during 2024, it is a race to see which financial institution or which company releases the product first and how they start attracting customers.
Bit2Me STX is the most recent stock exchange that Bit2Me is launching utilizing cutting-edge blockchain technology. The concept is to have the capability to issue stocks and bonds similar to any conventional stock exchange, but utilizing blockchain distributed ledger technology. It is a new division, fully regulated by the National Securities Market Commission, to create this new stock exchange that competes with the major exchanges, but with disruptive and more efficient technology. I believe that Bit2Me is the best positioned player to succeed in this new world of security tokens for 3 reasons. The first, due to the underlying technology, Bit2Me has used it for 9 years and has an advantage over others. Second, because we already have 1 million users in Bit2Me, that community is not built overnight. And third, because it's not just technology and liquidity, it's also regulation. Bit2Me was the first to obtain the Banco de España license and throughout all these years has been committed to compliance and regulation at 100%. Hence, we additionally possess compliance expertise that we believe is superior to the expertise of others.
B2B Loan is a solution that we bring to provide liquidity to users, not only B2C, B2B institutional, but that combines tradition and innovation with digital assets. The use case we encounter most frequently is the ability to access short-term financing by utilizing assets that are held for an extended period of time. One of them is definitely in the real estate industry, such as having the ability to make the down payment for your home using an asset that you possess, let's say with a long-term hypothesis.
In B2B, ultimately, we are highly conscious of the cycle that is commencing. The subsequent cycle is an extremely institutional cycle in which the primary asset managers of the world will assume positions. This, along with the upcoming Bitcoin halving scheduled for April 2024, MiCA's anticipated accession to the European Union towards the end of 2024, will contribute to the significance of the role that B2B will assume, both nationally and internationally. This is particularly noteworthy due to its emphasis on commendable practices in terms of KYC, compliance, and AML,